Assalamu alaikum ji. My fourth session uh, on Excel is regarding creating worksheets and then summarizing those worksheets into a single worksheet. So my previous session, lesson number 3, I'm using the almost same worksheet for this purpose for lesson 4. In my previous session, here I had years uh, and those years I have changed it into months. And again, the parameters are the same: electricity bill, gas, water bill, and telephone bill. And these are the mock values. I have previously told you that. Now, I just want to create a very short story that three of my neighbors, they just came to me and requested me that they also have their utility bills to be submitted into bank or online submission. So they have requested me to also submit their bills along with my bill. So I said, "Oh, okay, then please, I will do that because you are my neighbors, good neighbors, and it's my moral obligation to facilitate you. But what I need to do is I need to create a record for them so that so forth I should know beforehand that how much amount I need to have in my hand to go into bank to basically fulfill my obligation to submit all those three bills along with my bill. So what I will do is I will basically there are two options: either I can plus uh, uh, press plus here, and I can create a sheet here by pressing plus. This is one option, but I will not do that. I will basically delete it, and what I will do is I already have a template with me. I already have this template with me. You can see that I'm moving my cursor on it. So I will just simply copy it, and then I will say create a copy, and I will move to the end, and I will basically create a copy of it. See? So this is basically, I will rename it. This is household. I will give it a name of, this is basically house 1. And this is, again, I will copy it and create a copy. And again, I will create, this is house 2. And again, I will create a copy. This is house 3. Okay. By right clicking on it, I can basically change its name, and I can basically also copy it. So this is house 3. So here I have 4 sheets with me, but I again need to create a summary sheet where I can have a total of all these 3. So I can have a total value with me. So I will do move or copy, and now I want to create a sheet before Asad. So I will create a copy, but I need to have this sheet before Asad. So I basically clicked it, Asad, and again press OK. So sheet has been created before Asad, and I will name it as summary. Simple. So now you can see that from the template, I have created the 3 more sheets, and I can also change their tab colors. I can give it a yellow color. I can give the house to a green color. I can give the house 3 the blue color, dark blue color. So, and in summary, I can simply basically write the function, the sum function, which you already know, the sum function. Okay. And then I will stop here after writing sum and basically writing down the bracket, and then goes to Asad, and the same cell I have clicked. So you can see in the formula bar that it's basically writing, it's basically table 1 electricity bill is coming, and again I will press comma, and I will go to house 1, and again comma, and house 2, and comma, and house 3, and comma. अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। अस्सलाम वालेकुम भाई। चॉकलेट दूं जी आपको? ये वो सामान लेके आए मेरा बेल्जियम से। So on H2, I will take this value again in this cell. Yes, somehow I missed it, and then pressed enter. So you can see that the values of all four sheets have been accumulated here in the summary. And what I can do is I can basically double click it. So it has been automatically been copied down, and simply by copying this formula from here, I can paste it in the next cell, and double click it, copy it from this cell to this, and double click it, and from this cell to this cell, and double click it,